Assalamualaikum friends, how are you? Welcome to another new toy show videos. Wow, two CNG auto rickshaw. Wow, many colorful toys. Wow, nice. Wow, so beautiful toy collection. Nice. Wow, it is a mini CNG yellow color. Wow, nice. Very nice. Wow, another pink color mini CNG. Wow. Nice, very nice. Wow, another red color racing transporting car. Wow, nice, very nice. Wow, red, yellow color and black combination racing car. Wow, nice. Wow, another green color dump truck. Wow, nice. Wow, so powerful. Wow, double digger, popular bus. Wow, nice. Wow, so wonderful. Wow, red color mini racing car. Wow, nice. Wow, another army tank. Wow, green and yellow color. Wow, nice, very nice. Wow, yellow color racing car, mini racing car. Wow, nice, very nice. And another small racing car. Wow, yellow color. Nice, very nice. Wow, another army victorious tank, fire tank. Wow, so fast. Wow, nice. Wow, mini excavator, red and black combination excavator. Wow, nice. Wow, blue. No, it is a yellow and black combination excavator. Wow, nice. Wow, another yellow and black and red combination excavator. Oh no, oh no. Wow, nice. Wow, last one, big airplane. Wow, nice. Big helicopter plane. Wow, very nice. Wow, nice. Thank you watching for these videos. Please like and subscribe. Bye.